Hello. A really useful feature in iGrind is having the capability to set upper and lower validation ranges for many parameters. This is really useful to ensure tools are correct and avoiding mistakes. So if I use the example of the NAS depth, what I'm going to do now is set an upper and lower validation range. So I do this by right clicking, hit set validation range, and what I'm going to do is lower this value and then set an upper value. Now I can apply this globally or just to the current tool. So for this example, I'm just going to apply it to the current tool. Go OK. Now, what that does is if the user then tries to set a value that is outside the validation range that I've set, it comes up with an error. Now, if you'd like to adjust this setting, just go to Utilities, Edit Validation Ranges. Now it's not been set globally, it was just for this specific tool. So if I uncheck the active box, the upper and lower validation range will no longer be active.